I flipped a mid-century dresser and made a horrible mistake that I have to fix. Let me show you what I did. Typically, I start my furniture flips with a good, thorough cleaning, but this is a painted piece that has oil bleed-through trapped underneath the paint. So in this case, I'm going to remove the paint first and then do a cleaning. Not only does oil bleed through look absolutely terrible, there's no adhesion here in this spot, so this paint job was never gonna last. Day 2 and we are still doing prep work. After all that scraping, there's still wax residue left behind on the surface, so we're gonna get right into some mineral spirits to scrub the rest of that wax away. Okay, I let the surface dry for a couple hours and now it's time to move on to the next step, and that is to sand this piece so I get the rest of the paint off. Because of the previous oil bleed through, I cleaned with vinegar. Spray the surface with water, pour a liberal amount of vinegar, and then use a scrub brush to really get down into the wood grain. Make sure you wipe up the excess material. Once the surface has dried, pour baking soda 1/4 of an inch thick on the surface. After letting the baking soda set overnight, it's time to get it all vacuumed up. To block that oil bleed through from potentially happening again, spray 3 coats of shellac. This is the start of day 4. We're still in the prep work phase. Typically on pieces, I have prep work on day 1 and 2. I am spacing it out and taking it slow on this one because of the previous oil bleed through. Last night I let the shellac set and harden overnight. So now let's go in and fill those particle board exposed areas. Okay, girls and little Malcolm, it is the first big snow on the homestead. We are in Oklahoma, so this is a big snow for us. The prep work on this piece was insane, but we are finally finished and can move on to primer. I am so excited for day 5. It is my favorite day in this process because we actually get to start painting. And we're gonna do that with a little bit of help from Kacha Furniture Paint.
Kacha sent me some of her black paint called Eclipse to try out, and I really like it because it is a true black and the shade of black matches my home decor. I have sprayed, hand painted, and today rolling on her furniture paint. No matter the method of application, it performs well and has great coverage. If you would like to order some Kacha furniture paint, a link to her website will be down below in the description.
With this furniture flip, I have really taken my time and slowed down the process. Each step along the way I have allowed to set overnight, and I start the next day by checking the surface in the morning to make sure none of that oil bleed through has happened again. I checked the paint job this morning, no oil bleed through still, so I gave myself the okay to go ahead and apply top coat. Let's take a look at that fabulous before and after. If you've enjoyed this video and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. This dresser started out as an oil bleed through unattractive piece that I was hiding away in my bedroom. It now has a modern chic boho look that is a focal point in my living room.